Tooth whitening helps to create a brighter smile by lightening teeth and removing stains. At Amarillo Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, the procedure is done in office with Zoom. Dr. Swanson from AOMS joins us today with more about the procedure. Okay, so let's talk about Zoom, what it is exactly, kind of an overview for us.
So pretty much, Zoom whitening is an in-office tooth bleaching procedure. So what it does is it lightens any discolorations or stains that you may have acquired over the years.
Okay, and so over the years, you're going to get, there are a lot of things that cause kind of that discoloration, right? Run through some of the bad ones.
So to name a few, aging, over time, what you consume, some habits you may have picked up over the years, such as your daily morning coffee, or a Dr. Pepper with your lunch, or an occasional glass of red wine with dinner. Smoking, pretty much.
And those sorts of things are long-term, they have long-term implication for your teeth.
Correct, correct.
Okay, so is doing a process like this then, is it safe?
Yes. It's actually one of the least invasive cosmetic dental procedures. So it's very safe as long as it's performed under the supervision of a dentist. There are, for certain people, the results are better than others, but that's why we always do a consultation beforehand.
And then how long does it last once you have it done?
As long as you follow our very simple post-care instructions, Zoom can change your teeth to a lighter shade from the very beginning.
So can you then continue to have your coffee or continue to have that red wine, or is it gonna impact it to go back?
It does stain over time, but we always recommend that you skip a 24-hour period.
Okay.
Because it is an internal bleaching, so it continues to whiten your teeth for the full 24 hours.
Okay.
So that being said, they're also more susceptible to staining within that 24 hours.
Okay, that makes sense. So is anybody going to experience pain or anything like that during the procedure or immediately after the procedure?
Unfortunately, sensitivity is a side effect of Zoom whitening. However, we do have ways to prevent that from happening. We recommend brushing with a Sensodyne toothpaste, something containing potassium nitrate. We also recommend taking ibuprofen before you come, and a lot of times that sensitivity only lasts for about 24 hours max.
Are there any other side effects other than just that sensitivity?
Not really, no. Whiter teeth.
Whiter teeth is a great side effect. Okay, so talk about the consultation process. We just need to give you guys a shout or what?
So you would call and be like, hey, I'm interested in Zoom whitening, and we would schedule you for a consultation. During that consultation, we would take some radiographs to make sure you don't have any active decay. We would do a thorough clinical dental examination, and then we would determine what your expectations were as far as the whitening process. Do you want it long-term, short-term, for a special event? And then we would go from there.
Well, you know, I bought some white strips or whatever the other. Those are expensive, you know, and they don't last, you know. So it might be a great idea to really invest a little bit more on the front end and do something like this, right?
Yes, definitely. And with our in-office procedure, we also provide custom take-home trays with a tube of take-home bleach. So say you're going out for a date night and you want to just touch it up a little, you can go ahead and put that gel into your custom tray, which we provide, and then you touch up your white smile.
I like it. Okay, this is very interesting stuff. So if you want to learn more, give our friends over at AOMS a shout. They'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks, Doc. We appreciate you coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Stick around. We're going to head into the kitchen with Chef Bud.